How to create template in ClickUp 2025. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can create a template in ClickUp in the easiest and most simplest way. And before starting off, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to help you start off with ClickUp right away. So to create templates for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're basically, first of all, going to go over to this section where it shows this plus icon. All right. Now, once you are over here, you're going to go over to create new. And once you go over to create new, here you can see it says from template. Now, if you already have a template, you can go over to from template. And as you can see in the workspace templates, it's not giving me any templates, which means I have not created a template. Now, you can actually see that ClickUp allows you to create your very own template. So, to create your very own template, templates are available on every plan. So, it doesn't matter whatever plan you have. So, to create a template, you're going to open the workspace item, click the ellipsis to open the settings menu, select templates, and click save as a template. Okay. So what you're going to do, moreover, is go ahead and open up your workspace. Okay. So here's our workspace over here. Once we've opened up our workspace, right over here, you're going to go over to templates. And once you go over to templates, simply click on save as template. You're going to give it a name. So I'm going to give it that name, click on save template, and there we go. That is how easy and simple it is to create a template in ClickUp. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.